Welcome back to my channel Rajguru Chemistry. Today in this video we are going to discuss the topic of how to calculate the microstates. There are in 5 different methods we have to calculate total number of microstates. The type 1, if the electronic configuration is given. In simple way the formula is given as n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. The value of n is the total number of electrons in the orbital. For example, p orbital, 3 orbitals are given. Each orbital can be filled by 2 electrons. The total number of electrons in p orbital is 6. So the value of n is 6 for p orbital. R factorial, the value of r is the electronic configuration is given. For example, P2 configuration, the given electron is 2. So the value of R is 2. For a given electronic configuration P2, we have to calculate the total number of microstates in P2 electronic configuration. N factorial, the value of n is 6. 6 factorial upon the value of R is 2. 2 factorial into n minus R. 6 minus 2, that is 4 factorial. 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial, that is equal to 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial is 1 into 2. 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. We can cancel the values. We get the value 5 into 3 is 15. In P2 electronic configuration, there are 15 microstates are available. Next, the example D2 configuration. Let us calculate the microstates. N factorial is in d orbital 10 factorial upon the given electrons in d orbital is 2. So 2 factorial into n minus r is 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial. That is equal to total number of microstates in D2 configuration is 45. Now we see the second method how to calculate the microstates. Mixed electronic configuration is given. Then we have to calculate the total number of microstates. Example P1 and D1. It is a mixed electronic configuration. It is easy to calculate the microstate. 6 factorial for P1 orbital is 6 factorial upon 1 factorial into 6 minus 1, 5 factorial into D1 configuration 10 factorial upon 1 factorial into 10 minus 1, 9 factorial. So finally we get the value of 60 microstates are present in P1, D1 mixed electronic configuration. Next, the example number 2, P2 and D3 mixed electronic configuration. There is no confusion that P2 electronic configuration is 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial. For D3 configuration 10 factorial upon 3 factorial into 7 factorial. We get the values of 1800 microstates are present in P2 and D3 electronic configuration. Next, type 3. If the term is given, the formula as 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. This is the formula if the term is given. For example, the term 3f. 3 is the spin multiplicity value, that is 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. For the value of L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the term is given as S, P, D, F, G. 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. For a given term f, the value of L is 3. So the value L is equal to 3. 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. We have to calculate total number of microstates in a given term 3f. The formula is 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. The value of 2s plus 1 is 3. The value of L is 3. 3 into 2 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 3, 21. So there are 21 microstates are present in 3f term. As the same way, we have to calculate 3d term. 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. For d term, the value of L is equal to 2. total number of microstates is equal to 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1, 3 into 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4, 5 into 3, 15 microstates are present in 3D term. Then next example, 1G. 2s plus 1 value is equal to 1. Then the G term, the value of L is 4. Total number of microstates in G1 term is equal to 1 into 9 is equal to 9 microstates are present in G1 term. Then we see the type 4. If the term simple is given, term simple is given as 5D4. It is the formula of LJ 2s plus 1. Subscript is written as the value of J. Superscript is the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1. So the term is given 5D4. Total number of microstates can be calculated by the formula of 2J plus 1. If the value of J is known, we have to easily calculate the total number of microstates. The value of J is equal to 4. So number of microstates is 2 into J is 4 plus 1. 4 to 8 plus 1, 9. So the given term simple 5D4, total number of microstates is 9. Then example number 2, 2p 3 by 2. Here the value of J is equal to 3 by 2. So number of microstates is 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. So we get 4. Only there are 4 microstates are present in 2p 3 by 2 term. Then the last method, type 5, if the Mulligan simple is given. Mulligan simple is given 5a1g, 3eg and 3t2g. How can we calculate the number of microstates in the Mulligan simple? The formula is spin multiplicity into dimension of Mulligan simple. This is the formula for using total number of microstates in Mulligan simple. We have to calculate that. For 5a1g, the 5 is the spin multiplicity. So the spin multiplicity value is 5. 5 into a is the singlet. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5 microstates. Then 3eg. 2s plus 1 value is 3. So 3 into 2. 2 is the doublet. Eg is the doublet. It is equal to 6 microstates. 3eg, Mulligan simple, there are 6 microstates are there. Then 3t2g, Mulligan simple, 2s plus 1 value is 3. T2g is the triplet. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9 microstates are present in 3t2g Mulligan simple. These are the 5 methods. We have to easily calculate the total number of microstates. If you like this video, please like and share your friends. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.